Hello, little monkey boy. And we're through the most long narrow bridge thanks to Captain Joseph. Pick it up the whole today. What you see here on the right side, everybody, this is Slotsholmen. That is the island that has been the center of power here in Denmark the last 1,000 years. Slotsholmen, som vi ser her, er øen, som har været midtpunkt for al magt her i Danmark de sidste 1000 år. That is also why you see this big palace here that share the same name as the royal family's old home, but this one was built back in 1928 by King Frederick VIII. Today is also the home of the Danish Parliament, Supreme Court, Prime Minister Office, including also the royal reception rooms. Så vi ser her, der har vi altså Christiansborg Slot, som deler det samme navn som det royale, den kongelige families gamle hjem, og brænder ned. Det her på den anden side, vi ser den også igen efter broen. Christiansborg Slot her blev bygget i 1928 af kong Frederik den 8. Og i dag så er det også hjemsted for Folketinget, Højesteretten, statsministerens kontor og de royale receptionsrum. And this yellow building you see here is called Thorvaldsens Museum, that was built back in 1848, named after Bertel Thorvaldsen, who was a big sculptor back in the 1800s and very prominent in Europe. Lots of his masterpieces are inside, but himself is also buried inside the building. Den gule bygning, som vi ser her, det er altså Thorvaldsens Museum, som blev bygget i 1848 og opkaldt efter Bertel Thorvaldsen, som i 1800-tallet var en stor skulptør og meget kendt i Europa.